Good morning, YouTube. So we are back with another video. We are going to period correct today. We are going to take the race car out to this event, hence the steering wheel. And we're going to shoot this one kind of like in a POV, or at least on the in car. And then that way you guys can kind of see what it's like to drive the race car this early in the morning. Period correct is owned by my friend Brian. They're like a clothing lifestyle brand. He's really into Porsches and a lot of vintage cars. So there should be some like really high quality cars out there today. We actually have to go left because the driveway is lower on this side, but I hate how they put the trash cans right there. Right there. We always got to avoid that one. Dude. There is not a lot of parking. my YouTube. Where am I supposed to park? Where's it parking?
I parked in one of the lots.
To the right?
On the right.
Okay,
Yeah,
but there's a lot.
Spots left, though.
There's a lot over there, like where commissary used to be or something?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
I'm in that lot, yeah.
Okay. Alright guys, we're here. Luckily we found a spot. Literally the only spot open in this whole lot. And we found it. And we're late, so that's pretty good. This is E46. Time to go walk around and check out all the cars. Oh, I hope my door doesn't get close to this old school air-cooled Porsche. This is the hardest part of getting out. Always have to climb out. Legs first. Use the e-brake. Push out. Woo. Look who it is. What's going on? Are you guys leaving? You're not leaving, are you? No, I just did like a POV.
Gotcha.
What's going on, Nate? How are you?
Good.
What's up, Parker? Long time no see, bro.
Yeah, how's it going?
What up, George? Congrats on the car, bro.
Thanks, man. What's up?
What up, man?
How you doing?
How's the CrossFit going?
Going good.
What did you get?
Hello, Dan. What's up, Brian? How you doing, man?
Yeah.
Keeping the weight off?
Yeah,
Looking
man.
good? How are you? That's on a new location. This is where all the boxer Caymans hang out. Thing is lowered. Is it? 718 is nice.
Probably a little thing like that you can add, like when you do the custom. Like,
got a lot of that stuff.
That color plate or whatever the fuck. You might need to change.
That sums up period correct. Some of the guys want to go get coffee. We're gonna get coffee and then go over to Ferrari Newport Beach.